When you search for cordless rotary hammer drills, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy images. But to really find what works, you need to dive deeper into the details.
Product number 1, DeWalt 20V SDS Rotary Hammer Drill. Priced at $325.71, it's a bit of an investment, but honestly, the power and efficiency are impressive. If you want something that really delivers when it comes to drilling through concrete, this is worth a serious look. This drill has 2.1 joules of impact energy, which means you can get through tough materials quickly. The Shock's active vibration control system is a game changer, reducing the vibration you feel while using it. This matters because it allows you to work longer without feeling fatigued. Plus, the lightweight design makes it easy to handle whether you're hanging rods or mounting cables. Now, some users have mentioned that it's a bit on the pricey side compared to others. Here's the thing though, you're getting a quality tool that's built to last. If you're serious about your projects, the price is justifiable. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable drill for heavy-duty tasks. Skip this one if you're just looking for something for light home improvement projects. For the quality you get, it's a solid investment. Now, if that price tag gave you pause, the next option is much more budget-friendly while still offering solid performance. Product number 2, Deshua 1 SDS Plus. We have the Deshua 1 SDS Plus lightweight rotary hammer drill at just $54.79. This caught my attention because of its low price and decent features. If you want something that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. This drill has a 9-amp motor that delivers up to 1100 RPM and 5300 BPM, which is pretty impressive for its price. It also features a safety clutch that disengages if the bit gets stuck, which is crucial for avoiding accidents. The lightweight design makes it easy for overhead drilling too. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're doing DIY projects or lighter construction work, this could save you both time and effort. However, it's important to note that this drill only works with SDS Plus bits, no standard bits allowed. For some, this might be a deal breaker, but if you're okay with that limitation, it's a great budget choice. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or need a reliable tool for small jobs. Skip this one if you plan on using a variety of bits. At this price, you definitely get good value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balance of power and versatility.
Product number 3, Bosch 11255 VSR. The Bosch 11255 VSR Bulldog Extreme comes in at $161.10. This drill caught my attention with its solid power and ergonomic design. If you're looking for a well-rounded drill for concrete and masonry, this is worth a serious look. It packs a 7.5 amp motor that spins up to 1300 RPM and delivers 5800 BPM, providing impressive impact energy. The multi-function selector allows you to switch between 3 modes: rotation only, rotary hammer, and hammer only. This versatility is fantastic if you're tackling various projects. Plus, the vibration control feature helps reduce fatigue during longer jobs. One downside is that some users found it a bit heavy for prolonged use, especially overhead. Here's the thing though, the performance you get often makes up for the weight, especially for heavy-duty tasks. This is perfect for you if you're working on concrete or masonry regularly. Skip this if you need something ultra-lightweight. For the power and functionality, it's a great mid-range option. Now, if weight is a concern for you, the next product has a lightweight design that still packs a punch.
Product number 4, DeWalt DHCH133B. The DeWalt 20V Max SDS Plus Rotary Hammer, priced at $229. This is a solid option if you want a cordless drill that offers great power and flexibility. If you're looking for something that combines portability with performance, this is worth considering. It delivers 2.6 joules of impact energy and has a maximum rotational speed of 1500 RPM, making it perfect for fast drilling in concrete. The brushless motor enhances efficiency and runtime, so you can work longer without interruptions. Plus, the rotating dial allows you to switch between drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling modes easily. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're mounting brackets or anchoring beams, you need a tool that adapts to your needs. However, some users have pointed out that it doesn't come with a battery, which can be a drawback if you don't already have one. But if you're invested in the DeWalt system, it's a great fit. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful, versatile tool for various projects. Skip this if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without extra costs. Given its performance, it offers great value for serious users.
Now, if you're looking for something that combines both battery and corded options, the next one could be exactly what you need.
Product number 5, Milwaukee 291220. We have the Milwaukee 291220 M18 fuel rotary hammer at $278.99. This one is intriguing because it merges both cordless and corded features. If you want the flexibility of battery power without sacrificing performance, this is one to check out. With a rotational speed of 1,330 RPM and advanced auto-stop control that senses bind-ups, it's designed to maximize your productivity. The STS Plus compatibility makes bit changes fast and easy, which means less downtime. This is essential if you're in the middle of a project and need to switch tasks quickly. However, some users found it a bit bulky for extended use. Here's the thing though, it's all about finding that balance between power and usability, especially for demanding jobs. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable drill for heavy-duty tasks but want the option of going cordless. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight tool for simple jobs. Given its features, it's a solid investment for professionals. In conclusion, each of these drills brings something unique to the table.
The DeWalt DCH273B is all about heavy-duty performance, while the Deschwell offers a budget-friendly option. The Bosch 11255 VSR strikes a balance between power and ergonomics, and the DeWalt DCH133B is great for those needing versatility. Lastly, the Milwaukee 291220 provides both cordless convenience and performance. Depending on your specific needs, one of these should fit the bill perfectly.